Hey there, welcome. In this quick tutorial, we are going to show you how to turn off watch history on YouTube. It's super easy and we'll make sure you'll get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's get started. First open YouTube, then go on upper right corner, click on settings, click on manage all history. Now select the account. Now click on Controls. Now click on Turn Off. Scroll down. Click on Pause. Your YouTube watch history has been turned off. I hope you found value in this video. If you want to grab freebies, want to explore fantastic sample offers, and want to get exclusive coupons, spanning a wide range of products from cutting edge gadgets to beauty essentials, then watch the video you're seeing on the end screen. Also, please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck.